This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut. Then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. For the replacement of the downstream oxygen sensor, first remove the center console to access the electrical connector. Remove the fasteners securing the rear of the center console. Unscrew and remove the shift knob. Remove the fasteners securing the front of the center console. Remove the parking brake cover lid. Lift up on the rear of the center console and pull the console rearward to release the front hook from the heater unit. Disconnect the accessory socket connector and, if equipped, auxiliary jack connector. Disconnect the downstream sensor connector, then push the rubber boot and connector through the hole in the vehicle body. Working from underneath the vehicle, pull the boot and connector through the body and disengage the wiring harness from the retaining clip. Using an oxygen sensor socket, unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it is not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Install the oxygen sensor. Tighten the sensor to the specified torque setting. Feed the electrical connector through the hole in the body. Then secure the rubber boot. Attach the wiring harness to the retaining clip. Connect the electrical connector and make sure the boot is securely fitted from above. Connect the accessory socket connector and/or auxiliary jack connector. Then position the center console into its mounting area. Install the parking brake lid. Install the shift knob, screwing it on completely. Install the fasteners at the front and rear of the center console. The downstream oxygen sensor. The upstream oxygen sensor is in the location shown and is replaced the same way as the downstream sensor. The electrical connector is located on the bracket near the shift cables on the engine side of the firewall. Lower the car to the ground. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.